Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says a cat toy at the animal rescue consists of a circle with toys hanging under it. If the diameter of the circle measures 3 feet, what is the circumference of the cat toy? Use 3.14 as the approximation for pi. So I can draw a diagram to help visualize. If I look at it from the top, I'm going to see a circle, and I'm going to see a diameter of 3 feet. Remember, the diameter is from edge to edge on a circle, crossing through the center. I have two different formulas for circumference of a circle. I'm going to use the one with diameter, since that's what I'm given. The circumference of a circle is equal to pi times the diameter. In the problem, it says to use 3.14, so I'll substitute 3.14 as the approximation for pi, and then I'm going to substitute 3 for the diameter. Simply, I just have to multiply those two values together, 3.14 times 3, and I will find that the circumference of the cat toy would be 9.42 feet. So the distance around the circle in the cat toy would be 9.42 feet.